Hi everybody, I'm Stacey, and on this episode of Serve It, we're going to continue our Mardi Gras celebration. You know, no Mardi Gras is complete without sweets, so we're going to take the traditional king cake, twist it up a bit, and make king cupcakes. And to shop everything you see in this episode, all you have to do is go to QVC.com and search Serve It. As with any cake, we're going to start with our dry ingredients first. So you're going to take 3 cups cake flour into a flour sifter, add in your baking soda, and then a little bit of salt. And then once you get that into your sifter, you want to make sure to sift the ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. All right, so now we're going to cream together our butter and sugar. So I took 2 sticks of unsalted butter, put it into a mixing bowl that I'm going to use with our stand mixer, and then I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. So you know this is going to be sweet. Get this on. And with the beater, we're gonna go ahead and on a medium speed, get that nice and creamy. Meanwhile, we're preheating our oven to about 350 degrees. And now I'm gonna add my eggs and my vanilla. Again, this will take just a couple of minutes to incorporate all those ingredients. Now I wanna turn this down because when you start adding dry ingredients, if you have this too high, so after the eggs are done and the vanilla is mixed in, you're going to take your flour mixture and your sour cream and combine it, but you're gonna do it in steps. It's kind of like a dance. I think our batter's done. So we're gonna pour the batter into these really cute gold cupcake holders that we found at the craft store. Take a medium-sized ice cream scooper, go into your batter, and fill it up about 1/2 to 2/3 way so you can have area for the batter to rise. Just like about that. This is gonna be a really moist cake because of the sour cream and using the cake flour. So at some point, you're gonna have to figure out which cupcake's gonna get the little baby inside. So when you pick that cupcake holder, only fill it a little bit, just to get the bottom coated. Then you're gonna take your plastic baby and you're gonna tuck them inside. Give them a little push, it's okay. It's a thick batter. And then you want to finish off and just put them down for a little nap. Ooh, who's gonna get the baby? That's so exciting. Whoever does, you know what the thing is. Whole year, prosperity and good luck, but then you've got to throw the next party. All right, you got all your cupcake holders filled, so what you're gonna do is take this to your preheated oven and you're going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick, when you put it inside, comes out clean. All right, let's do the glaze. So we're gonna take 2 cups of powdered sugar and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons lemon juice, a tablespoon of fresh orange juice, a tablespoon of vanilla, and then we're gonna whisk it and get this all nicely incorporated. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that water. Now our cupcakes are done. So these are now cool to the touch on the top. And what you're gonna do is just take your cupcakes, dip it down, and look at that. Perfect. Notice that I'm using a cooling rack on top of a baking sheet. That helps in case any glaze drips down the side of those liners. Now we're gonna make them colorful. And you wanna take your sugar sprinkles. And of course you're gonna pick Mardi Gras colors, right? So that would be purple, that would be green, and gold. This is something that actually would be really fun to do with kids because it's messy, it's colorful, it's a whole lot of fun. There you have it, you're done. This recipe should easily make about 25 to 30 cupcakes. I got the baby, I got the baby. This is really good. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. And for great table decorating ideas, don't forget to check out my friend Alberti for his series, Table It.